Okay, so today I am making a flower themed spring soap. So I made all these flowers, and one second I'll show them to you. They're purple and yellow. So I thought I would just do a kind of two-layered soap. The bottom purple, put the flowers all in the middle, and then do the top a light yellow. So it all kind of works together. This fragrance is supposed to set up. It is very fluid right now, so I hope it does set up. If not, I will let it sit for a bit and then come back and... It smells good. It's Apricot Grove from Candle Science. It's fruity, but it's got like a tartness to it. So these are the different flowers. So I made the daisy, which you might or might not have seen. It was with my umbrella soap. But when I was making the daisy, I tried a couple other flowers with not as many petals. So these are the two. And then I also did just a simplified, smaller version of those. So the goal is to set those all on top, and then pour a lighter yellow on top of that. So these colors are hopefully all enough difference that everything will stand out. I'm gonna let this set up, then I'll add the flowers, come back, add the top layer, and then all these embellishments on top. I love the top of this. Just, the flowers are springy and cheerful and not cold. So over February, so over winter. Let's see what the inside look like. So this fragrance discolors tan a little bit. And this yellow has definitely gotten darker. It's a little darker than I want it to be, but let's see what the inside is. I hope the yellow flowers stand out and their colors aren't too similar. They're a little similar, little air gap there. I wish there was a bit more contrast, but it's not bad. It's cute. You can see like that, I don't know, well, I don't know if you can see, but there's like a darker tan and then this is lighter. That's what it should be. I think the whole bar is going to get this kind of darker outside edge and the purple a little bit too. It's not as obvious. That's cute. It's a fun little spring soap. I'll take it. I said the yellow is just a tad too similar to this yellow, but that's okay. It's still a fun, cheerful, floral-y soap that's scented in apricot. So I promised myself that I was going to use up some of the fragrances that I have because I have so many and I can't keep buying more until I use up what I have, or at least some of what I have. So the spring soaps were all using fragrances that I had on hand, and I have a lot, so yeah, let me know what you think.